Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the name of the sender's name on the AOL mail. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you must open any browser on your PC, then you must go to AOL Mail. The third step is to log into your account and you can see this type of interface. Now you can see that this is the user. I'll just go ahead and select it. Go to More and click on Add Sender to Contacts. You can see the default name of the sender, but you can change it. So you can change it to anything. After you do so, you can change the email address as well, add phone numbers, and add all of the details over here. So you can explore this and click on Save. After you click on Save, you can notice that the number has been saved. If you go to the top, you can see that the name will appear as well. So if you click on it, you can see that this is the name which has been changed. I'm going to teach it to you once again. So you can go to some mail over here. So you can see this is the mail. To change the name, just go to More, go to Add Sender Contacts. So you can see the first name and last name over here. You can go ahead and change it. So there is option of middle name, nickname as well. So you can go to these and click Save. And you can see that if you go to the top option, the name has been changed as well. I hope this video about how you can change the sender's name on AOL Mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.